Hi guys, so today we're going to start with our letter sounds. All together, ready, go. E, ed, A, apple, a. U, up, O, octopus, ah. I, itch, M, man, mm. Okay, we're going to do our diagraphs. Everyone say diagraphs. C, K, sock, k. W, H, whistle, what. C, H, chin, ch. S, H, ship, sh. T, H, thumb. Good job. Okay, now we are going to write a sentence. We're going to do two sentences today. The first sentence we're going to write together, and the second sentence you are going to write all by yourself. So if you don't have something to go write with, I want you to get something that you can write a whole sentence on. So it doesn't have to be a whiteboard, but enough space so you can write a couple of words without erasing. Okay, so remember, pause the video and you can go get that if you don't already have it. And before we get started, let's all stand up and do 10 jumps. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, deep breath in and out. Right, we are going to write the sentence. So before we even get our markers ready, we're just going to listen to the sentence. So turn your listening ears on. Did Ed get that fish? Listening again. Did Ed get that fish? I'm going to say it one more time. Did Ed get that fish? Repeat after me. Echo's here to help us. Did Ed get that fish? Did Ed get that fish? How many words are in my sentence? Did Ed get that fish? Did Ed get that fish? Good, there's 5 words. So, what is my first word that I'm going to write? Who knows? Good, it's did. And should I make the D an uppercase or a lowercase d? It's starting my sentence. Good, it should be an uppercase D. D, D. Did, so you should be writing the word did too. What's my next word? Remember, we're writing this one all together, so don't go ahead. My next word is Ed. Good. So when I write the name Ed, it's a person's name. Should I make that an uppercase or a lowercase letter to start? Good, uppercase, D. Good. What's my next word? What's my next word? Good, my next word is get. Get, G, et. Get, so you should have, did Ed get? What's my next word? That. Good, that. Let's have that one up together. Ready? I'm going to go, and then you're going to go. At that. Good, we're going to do it one more time. Ready? I'm going to go first, then you're going to go. At that. Ooh, what sound goes? What 2 letters make that? It's a diagraph. Good. T-H. And what's my last word? What is my last word? Fish. Good. We're going to tap that word out together too. After me. Fish. Fish. Elbows up. We're going to tap this one out together. Ready? Go. Fish. Fish. One more time. Ready? Go. Fish. Fish. Good. What diagraph goes? Shh. H, writing the word fish. Fish. So now my sentence says, did Ed get that fish? What is this sentence missing? What goes at the end of a sentence? Good. I'm sure a lot of you just said a period, but it's not a period because I'm asking a question. I'm wondering, did Ed get that fish? So you are going to put a question mark. Everyone say question mark. Because we are wondering, did Ed get that fish? Good. Now I want you to do this part. I want you to find all the diagraphs in here and underline them. So underline all the diagraphs. Underlining those diagraphs. I found 2. How many did you find? Good, I found those 2 diagraphs. Now I want you to erase your board, or if you have room, you can leave it, but we're going to write one more sentence. But before we do that, let's get our wiggles out. So everyone stand up and wiggle one arm, wiggle the other arm, wiggle one foot, wiggle the other foot. I want you to jump 10 times, and we're going to count by 10s to 100 when we do it. So every time you jump, we're going to count by 10s to 100. Ready, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good job. Reach for the sky. Touch your toes. Spin around. Let's jump 5 more times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And deep breath in and out. Okay, get ready for our next sentence. This time, I'm just going to say the sentence a few times back to you, and I'm going to have you read it all by yourself. Do you think you could do that? It's going to be tricky. So my next sentence is, remember, listening before we write. I'll tell you when it's time to write. Our next sentence is, Tim had a rash. So listening again. Tim had a rash. Your turn. Tim had a rash. Tim had a rash. How many words are in my sentence? Tim had a rash. Tim had a rash. Tim had a rash. Ooh, did you get 4 too? Good job. So when you're writing this sentence, I want you to think, does it start with an uppercase or lowercase? What should go at the end of my sentence? So Tim had a rash. I want you to write this all by yourself. It's okay if you make a mistake, but I want you to try to do it all by yourself. So Tim had remember worrying about one word at a time. So if you're not done writing it yet, that's okay. But I want you to pause the video. So I want you to finish writing before you move on. So if you're not done, pause the video and then you can hit play when you're all done writing. So this is what my sentence looks like. Tim had a rash. See how I left some spaces between my words? I didn't write them right on top of each other. I want you to find a trick word, one of your sight words in here that we've learned. So I found A, because that's a tricky word, because you cannot sound that one out. Now I want you to underline the diagraphs. So underline the diagraphs. Good. And this time, did I put another question mark? No, because I'm not asking a question. I'm saying something. I'm saying Tim had a rash. That means he had it. I'm not asking if he did. All right, good job, guys. Have a good day.